Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kick the Problem. I'm your one and only Shivam back again with a new video on a string. Today we are going to solve a problem on anagram string. If you are new to this channel, please do like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Now let's see the solution of this problem. So guys, anagram strings are those strings in which all the characters in string A should also be present in string B, as well as the frequency of each character should be same in the both string. But the order doesn't matter. Like here L is present at the starting, here L is at the third position. It might come at anywhere, but the number of characters and the characters present in A should be equal to the characters present in the B. So guys, I have taken some of the examples to explain you. Let's see. In first example, L is present 1, I is present 1, S is present 1, T is present 1, E is present 1, and N is, these all characters are present once, as well as all those characters are present in B as well, with same number of frequencies. That's why these are anagram string. Hence we have given output as yes. In the same way, 3 A's are present over here. Here also 3 is A's. In the same way, B and C are present one times. Here also B and C are present one times. Hence we have given output as yes. But in third example, the frequency of A in string A is 2, but the frequency of A in string B is 1. That's why these are not anagram string. So guys, I am going to explain about two approach in this solution. First approach is naive approach, in which we are going to simply declare a character array, and we will store all the characters present in our string in that array, and then after we will use arrays.sort method, and then after we will store, after sorting again, we are going to store all the elements present in array to the original string, and then after same thing we are going to do in our second string B also. For both string we are going to do, and after doing that we will get both strings in like we are going to get both string in arranged order. Like here it's already arranged, here it will become A B P, and then after we are going to use dot equals function to check if both the strings are equal or not. If both are equal, then we will get to know that both are anagram string, else we will return false. I am not going to explain this method briefly, because I am giving this to try. I am giving this chance to try yourself. If you are not able to write this code, I'll put the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The time complexity of this approach is order of n log n, because we are using arrays.sort method, and the space complexity of this approach is order of n, because we are going to use one extra character array of same size of. So guys, the second approach, which is our efficient approach, simply we are going to initialize a counter array of size 256. We are initializing it of size 256 because all the characters like alphabets, it is stored in Java on the basis of their ASCII values. Like for small letter A, it is stored in 97. For B, it's 98. In the same way, I have used 256 so that it will store all the values. It will cover up all the values, and simply we are going to use a for loop to traverse our string. And like if each alphabet is present in that array, then we will increase, like for each character in string A, will increase that, like plus we have done, so will increase by 1. If it's present in B, will decrease by 1, and at the end our character array should contain all the elements at 0. If you haven't understood this, I will explain with you figure. And at the end, like we'll run a for loop, and we'll check like all the elements in our array are 0 or not. If it is 0, then we'll return true, else we'll return false, that it is not a anagram string. Now let's see the diagram so that you can understand properly. We have initialized a counter array. Initially all the values are 0 over here, and A is pointing to this location, B is pointing to this, C is pointing to this location. Now in first for loop, if elements present in string A, what we have done here, will increase the counter. If it's present in B, will decrease the counter. Now look, in first iteration A is present here, so that's why 0 will increase and it will become 1. Here A is present, that's why it will decrease and it will become -1. That is 1 minus 1, 0 we can write. Now in second iteration, A is present in first string, that's why again it will become +1. Now it will check the second character of second string. C is present here, that's why it will become -1. Now in third iteration, B is present here, that's why it will become +1. Here A is present, that's why it will become -1. 1 minus 1, I can write 0. Now in fourth iteration, C is present here, that's why it will become +1. That is -1 plus 1, I will write here 0. And B is present here, that's why it's present in string B, that's why we will do -1, 1 minus 1, 0. At the end, fifth iteration, A is present here, so it will increase by 1, and A is also present in string B, that's why we have to decrease by 1. Finally, we can see all the all the elements present in this counter array will become 0, which means that our two strings are anagram strings. The time complexity of this approach is order of n plus char. And because we are using a for loop of same size of character array, like string what we are given, and char, it's because we are using a for loop of size char, but what we have initialized 256, n plus 256 we can say. And the time complexity of this approach is order of n because we are declaring a extra space of size char. Sorry, we can write an order of char because extra space of size char we are using. Now let's compile our code. So guys, this is the same code that I have explained you before, just I have added something like if size of A is not equals to B, at the starting only you will get to know that two strings are not analog. That's why I have added this. If the size of two strings are not same, at the starting only we'll get to know that they are not anagram strings. So let's compile our code. So guys, it's same question from example. Look, gigs for gigs, for gigs, and its output is yes. So let's compile submit our code. So guys, you can see our code is correct. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. In future I'll be uploading many this kind of video related on DS and algo. Till then, keep watching, keep enjoying. Bye bye.